Looking for a compact PC that punches way above its size class? What if I told you the ASUS ExpertCenter PN54 delivers powerful Ryzen AI 300 performance, pro-level multitasking, and whisper quiet operation, all in a form factor that fits in the palm of your hand? Whether you're editing 4K video or running a home office, this tiny beast might just be the best mini PC of 2025. But is it really worth your money? Let's break it down. ASUS ExpertCenter PN54 Product Overview. The ASUS ExpertCenter PN54 is the latest mini PC from ASUS, launched in 2025, built for professionals, creators, and tech-savvy home users. It features the new Ryzen AI 300 processor, making it one of the first mini PCs to integrate dedicated AI capabilities directly into the CPU. Designed with performance and expandability in mind, the PN54 offers a compact, energy-efficient solution without sacrificing computing power. It's perfect for modern workspaces, digital signage, edge computing, or anyone tired of bulky desktop towers. ASUS ExpertCenter PN54 Performance. Powered by AMD's Ryzen AI 300 series, the PN54 absolutely flies through everyday tasks like web browsing, multitasking, Zoom calls, and even light photo and 4K video editing. In benchmarks, it performed 20 to 30% faster than previous gen mini PCs, like the PN53, thanks to its Zen 5 architecture and improved AI engine. But where it really shines is AI-enhanced workloads. With AMD's XDNA 2 NPU, expect snappy performance in AI tools, real-time voice transcription, background blur, and improved facial recognition in apps like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. It handled 15 browser tabs, Adobe Lightroom, and a YouTube 4K stream with zero stutter. Thermal throttling? Barely a whisper, thanks to ASUS's smart cooling system. Features and tech. Here are the top 4 features that make the ASUS ExpertCenter PN54 stand out. AMD Ryzen AI 300 processor. This is not just a CPU, it includes a powerful XDNA 2 NPU, enabling faster AI-assisted features like voice isolation, smart upscaling, and image enhancements in creative tools. Up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and dual SSD slots. The PN54 supports blazing fast DDR5 5600 RAM and dual PCIe Gen 4 SSDs, allowing for quick file transfers and smooth multitasking, ideal for content creators and professionals alike. Multiple display outputs. With HDMI 2.1, USB-C with DisplayPort, and regular DP support, you can run up to 4 displays at once, perfect for productivity setups or digital signage environments. These features collectively position the PN54 as one of the most future-proof mini PCs on the market right now. Design and build. Design-wise, the ASUS ExpertCenter PN54 is all about clean functionality. The matte black chassis is compact, durable, and blends into any setup, measuring just 5.1 by 5.1 by 2 inches. It feels solid thanks to its metal and polycarbonate blend, with easy access panels for upgrades. What stands out is the tool-free chassis. Just slide the case open to install RAM or SSDs. There's also a built-in VESA mount, allowing seamless attachment to monitors or walls. Ports are well distributed with USB 4, USB 3.2, HDMI, 2.5G LAN, and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring robust connectivity. It's minimalist but clearly made for professional environments. Pros. Outstanding performance with AMD Ryzen AI 300. Whisper quiet even under load. Plenty of ports and multi-display support. Built-in AI processing unit, XDNA 2 NPU for next-gen features. Cons. Integrated GPU limits gaming potential. Slightly pricier than similar Intel-based mini PCs. No included OS in base configuration. Charging and ports. The PN54 is loaded with I/O options, 2 USB 4 Type-C, 3 USB 3.2 Type-A, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, 2.5G Ethernet, and audio jack. On the wireless side, you get Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and stable connectivity. There's no need for a dongle mess. Whether you're connecting multiple monitors, a NAS, or audio equipment, this PC has you covered.
It supports USB-C PD input, which is rare in many PCs, letting you power it via a single USB-C cable in some setups. Final verdict. So, is the ASUS ExpertCenter PN54 worth it? If you're a remote worker, creative pro, or IT manager looking for a space-saving desktop that delivers modern performance and future-ready AI features, this is easily one of the best mini PCs of 2025. With its compact build, Ryzen AI 300 power, ultra-fast RAM support, and excellent thermals, this little machine punches far above its weight.